Well, I've already cut off both the feet, the fatty little bum, both the wingtips, and the head. I'm going to keep the neck on. I'm going to set those bones aside to make just a wonderful, juicy, thick stock. Now, I've already pre-cut a whole organic orange, a half a lemon, and a half a lime. Lime was given to me by one of my customers that she grew in her backyard, so that's especially special to me. So I'm just going to saturate this beautiful 3.85 pound bird in just the juice of the citrus, and then I'm going to cook it on high in the Hamilton Beach slow cooker that has 3 settings: warm, low, and high. And I'm going to cook this one on high. And you'll have to check out the next video to see how I make my stock. So simple. So in a couple of hours, this should be ready to eat. Thank you. Click the bell to subscribe and get updates. Subscribe and check out the next video.